to discuss.
See, Vasco has got a lot of deaths. That very alarming deaths from the time the virus started. About 136 deaths है Vasco. I has meeting किधर आप बोले, डिप्टी कलेक्टर बोले, हॉस्पिटल अफसर आप बोले, इचार पर कितने लोग मरते हैं. The market doubt because coal pollution. Vasco people they've got a lot of lung congestion to coal pollution. So I'm having a doubt on that part. So I wanted to find out exactly. So I requested doctor because there was a study in the assembly last exam. I put a LQ last two assembly, and there was a study to be done on pollution level. Whether the study is done or not, I don't know.
Sir, any things that you have spoken on the enhancement of the capacity of oxygen or the hospital infrastructure, anything on that?
See, basically, there are two issues. One is there are no proper doctors in Chikalam hospital. Second is less oxygen. So both the issues have been addressed now today in the meeting. आता डिसीजन दोन डिसीजन गेले आणि एक डिसीजन गेला रिगार्डिंग चिकालेम हॉस्पिटल आणि एक्स्ट्रा डॉक्टर घे फिजिशियन फॉर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मागतले फिजिशियन आणि सेकंड इज टू आस्क फॉर ऑक्सिजन. हे दोन इश्यू विषय आहे ते सारखे अर्जंटली घ्या म्हणाले. There are many. I have seen some note. There are ward number 21, ward 22, ward 23, ward 24 council have asked for lockdown. But lockdown not a solution. Solution is we have to stay at home. So Vasco, we have a lot of working crowd. हम तो लोग who work daily wage. त्यांना join में अपन. So I'm for lockdown, but what happened? We have to think of the people also. त्यांना join करने चलो. So lockdown मुल्पा easy. We have to stay at home ourselves. I want एपिन to लोका एपिन करता है. Who करे actually branches है जाड़ा है. लोका एपिन करता है तुम्हें आगे जाड़ा है. मशा हम काढून दी. नामे आता है. हम फोन मारले पुरो. ये लिफ्ट तो बोल.
पॉइंट्स आशिल्ले ऑफ द हेल्थ ऑफिसर तांकां स्टाफ आनी शॉर्टेज आसा. सो on that they will be of course contacting the DHS for the deployment. Second point आशिल्लो की तांकां ड्रायव्हराची एक आसा. So I said at my level we will try to requisition some driver and give them. So there is actually today difficulties आशिल्ले face करपाक we are trying.
Any major decisions have been taken up? Any major decisions have been taken up?
मेजर डिसिजन अशें तेंचे ज्यो डिफिकल्टीज आशिल्ल्यो त्यो सॉल्व करपाक
Sir, एक small request.